Have you ever wondered how to turn your knowledge into income? Online tutoring is one of the most rewarding and flexible ways to share your expertise and earn money. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to start your online tutoring journey and build a successful career. Let's dive in. Online tutoring has become a thriving industry, offering flexibility and the opportunity to share knowledge with students across the globe. Whether you're an experienced educator or someone passionate about a specific subject, online tutoring can be a fulfilling and lucrative career. If you're wondering how to start, this guide will take you through every step. From identifying your niche to marketing your services, here's how you can establish yourself as a successful online tutor. 10. Identify your expertise. The foundation of successful online tutoring is knowing your area of expertise. Consider the subjects you're passionate about and have a deep understanding of. It could be academic topics like math, science, or history, or practical skills like coding, photography, or music. Think about your qualifications, experiences, and skills that set you apart from others. Specializing in a niche subject can make you stand out in a competitive market. For instance, tutoring in advanced calculus or SAT preparation is highly sought after, and expertise in such topics can quickly build your reputation. 9. Understand your target audience. Knowing your audience is critical to structuring your services. Are you catering to middle school students struggling with algebra, college students needing guidance in physics, or professionals wanting to improve their English? Each audience requires a unique approach. Middle schoolers benefit from a fun, engaging style, while older learners might require a more serious, focused method. Tailoring your curriculum, teaching tools, and communication style to fit your target demographic can lead to better outcomes and satisfied clients. 8. Get the right equipment. Investing in the right tools is essential to create a seamless learning experience. High-quality audio and video equipment will make your sessions feel more professional. A stable internet connection ensures your lessons are uninterrupted. You'll also need a reliable computer or laptop capable of running video conferencing tools like Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. Other tools, such as a digital whiteboard, stylus, and screen sharing software, can make your sessions interactive and engaging. Remember, your setup reflects your professionalism, so ensure your workspace is neat, well-lit, and free from distractions. 7. Develop a curriculum. A well-structured curriculum is the backbone of effective tutoring. Start by outlining your goals for each session, then break them into smaller, manageable milestones. For example, if you're teaching a language, you can divide lessons into grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and cultural nuances. A detailed curriculum not only helps students track their progress, but also demonstrates your preparedness and expertise. Incorporate flexibility into your plan to adapt to the unique needs of each student. 6. Set competitive pricing. Determining the right price for your services requires research. Look at what other tutors in your field are charging and consider your qualifications and experience. Starting with a slightly lower rate can help you attract your first few clients, but as you gain experience and positive reviews, you can increase your prices. Offering packages, such as discounts for bulk sessions, can also entice clients to commit to long-term learning. Be transparent about your pricing structure to build trust with your students. 5. Build an online presence. To attract students, you need to market yourself effectively. Start by creating a professional website or profile on tutoring platforms like Wizant, Tutor.com, or Priply. Highlight your qualifications, experience, and testimonials from previous students. Social media platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook are also powerful tools to showcase your expertise. Post valuable tips, success stories, and teaching insights to engage potential clients. Consider creating demo lessons or free resources to showcase your teaching style and build credibility. 4. Learn teaching techniques for online platforms. Online teaching comes with its own challenges, so adapting to this medium is crucial. Use interactive tools such as breakout rooms, polls, and virtual whiteboards to keep students engaged. Develop skills in explaining concepts clearly through a screen, using visuals and diagrams whenever possible. Be patient, as technical glitches or distractions can occur. Remember, building rapport with students in an online environment requires warmth, attentiveness, and clear communication. 3. Offer a trial session. Offering a free or discounted trial session is a great way to attract new clients. It allows students and their parents to evaluate your teaching style and determine if you're the right fit for their needs. Use the trial session to showcase your skills, discuss the student's goals, and set expectations. A positive trial experience can lead to long-term commitments and referrals. Treat every trial session as an opportunity to make a strong impression. 2. Gather feedback and improve. After conducting sessions, ask for feedback from your students or their parents. Honest reviews will help you identify areas for improvement and adapt your approach. Whether it's refining your explanations, increasing interactivity, or adjusting your pace, constructive criticism is invaluable. Positive testimonials from satisfied clients can also serve as powerful marketing tools. Continually improving your methods will help you stay ahead in the competitive tutoring industry. 1. Stay consistent and build your reputation. The final and most important step is to remain consistent in your efforts. Deliver high-quality lessons, maintain punctuality, and uphold professionalism at all times. Over time, your hard work will pay off as you build a strong reputation and loyal client base. Word-of-mouth referrals and glowing testimonials can take your tutoring career to new heights. Staying updated with trends and continuously learning in your field will further enhance your credibility. Online tutoring is an exciting opportunity to turn your knowledge into a rewarding career. By following these 10 steps, you can establish yourself as a trusted and skilled tutor, helping students achieve their goals while building a business that fits your lifestyle. Whether you're just starting or looking to grow your tutoring services, consistency, adaptability, and passion for teaching will pave the way for long-term success. Ready to launch your online tutoring career? Visit our website at wettransformacademyhub.com or check the link in the description for more in-depth resources and tips to get started. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on growing your online business. See you in the next video.